Good morning, students, and welcome to your science online class. In the previous class, we have studied about acids, bases, their properties and uses. Now, students, it is always not possible to know acid or base by taste. It is not advisable because it can be harmful for us. So, to test the acidic and basic nature of the substances, a special kind of substance is called indicator. So now let's see what are the indicators. The substances which on mixing with other substances causes changes in their color, called indicators. And these indicators are used to identify whether the substance is an acidic or basic in nature. And the indicators change their color to show the nature of the substances. And it can be divided into two types, natural and synthetic. So firstly, let's see the examples of naturally occurring indicators. On your screen, you can see turmeric, litmus paper, and China rose petals, or we can say hibiscus. Now, litmus paper is extracted from lichen. Next, look at these pictures. These are some synthetic indicators, like we can make them in laboratory. And the examples are phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and bromothymol blue. Now let's talk about these one by one, but before that we will talk about turmeric, which is a natural indicator. It is yellow in color and जब भी इसे किसी बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डिप किया जाता है तो ये रेड कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, बट ये एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में कोई कलर नहीं देती. दैट मीन्स इसका रंग सेम रहता है किसी भी एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में. स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू एवर नोटिस दैट अ टर्मरिक स्टेन टर्न्स रेड व्हेन वॉश्ड विद अ डिटर्जेंट, एंड इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज डिटर्जेंट इज बेसिक इन नेचर. नाउ here is a table mentioned in your book also. In this we have to write the observation of different test solutions on turmeric paper as well as on litmus paper. First we have lemon juice, which we already know that it is acidic in nature. So it will turn blue litmus paper into red. But on turmeric paper it will not change its color due to its acidic nature. In the same way, some more test solutions are mentioned here, which you have to fill. Now we will talk about second natural indicator, that is China rose petal. इसे चाइना रोज की पेटल से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट दीज टू पिक्चर्स. जब चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर एसिडिक मीडियम में रिएक्ट करता है तो यह डार्क पिंक या डार्क रेड कलर शो करता है, एंड जब किसी बेसिक मीडियम में रिएक्ट करता है तो ग्रीन कलर शो करता है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, इसे कैसे बनाया जाता है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन ईजिली मेक China rose solution with China rose petals and warm water. So this is how we prepare China rose indicator. Students, here again a table is mentioned which you have to fill properly. Take this activity as your homework. I have also mentioned these two pictures for your help. Like if the test solution is acidic, so China rose indicator will show dark pink or dark red color. And if the test solution is basic in nature, then it will show green color. Next we will talk about synthetic indicators. Basically these indicators made in laboratories. Phenolphthalein is colorless and remains same in acidic solution. But if we mix it with the basic solution, then it will show the pink color. Second, methyl orange has originally orange color, and it turns red in acidic medium and yellow in basic medium. So this was all about some natural and synthetic indicators. In our next video, we will study about acid rain.